So I opened Microsoft Word, MS Office Word in my Windows computer, and in this video we are going to show you how to create a banana symbol using keyboard shortcut. So the keyboard shortcut we are using is Alt 127820. So for creating a symbol of a banana, okay, I'll show you how to create this. So doing this, you must go to your computer keyboards. In your computer keyboard, in your Windows computer keyboard, this is the Alt key. So you must this is the number lock key. So you must press this number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see you must use this keyboard shortcut Alt 127820. That is, you must press one of your finger in this Alt key. So you did not remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 127820. So after typing 127820, you can release your finger from this Alt key. So if you do like that, then you can see that the symbol of banana have been added. You can even change the color also after selecting from here in your Word document, and from here you can change the color also of your banana. So if this video helps you, for more videos subscribe Engineers Online.